When it comes to AquaTru and the reverse osmosis countertop water filtration systems, whether it's the Classic or the Connect like I have here, or even the Carafe, you're going to have to put that on top of your counter. And there could be some factors that come into play when using it, and I wanted to share with you a solution here called the sliding tray. And the sliding tray is available for both the Classic, the Connect, and the only difference is one, the Connect, you can use the app. The Classic does not come with the app. Or the Carafe, they have the sliding tray, which you can see here. And so what this does, this makes it easier for using the unit. One, if you've got shelving space, as I have it low here, so when I need to take out the tanks, this will not get in my way, so I could move this forward. Also, with the Classic or Connect, if you want to use the spout to pour, let's say, into a tall jug like this, this carafe, then you're gonna need the space below the counter. So this makes it so much easier and nicer to work with. So they do have a tray. You could see here, it's got a sliding mechanism that allows the wheels to move, or it locks in place. So when I press the button in, it allows the wheels to move. When you release that button, it locks it in place so it doesn't slide off the counter. So this really is a great way to go. Now, if you find this video of help, by the way, and it really helps the channel, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to click that subscribe button and, of course, the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. I will also be sure to put my referral link, which could save you at least $100 on the unit. I love it, I use it, and we're going to talk about using it for making ice. So what you're going to do is just put this down on your counter. Now I'll have to move this unit out of the way just a little bit so I have room. And now I'm just going to pick it up. I'm going to go ahead and put it on top of the unit, and there you go. Now if I try to move it, it's not going to move. If I press that button in, then I could just slide that back and forth. And what's nice is you can also have all this real estate to use when you're not using the unit. So it really makes it for a better experience. Again, you press that up, you forward this to the edge of the counter, and then now I could fill up my carafe, which is a great way to go. Another great way that you can use the AquaTru is making filtered and fresh ice. So what you're going to do, just take a cup. In my case, I take a cup, I take my ice tray, and I just pour water right into the ice tray, and then I just put these into the freezer, and then I'm good to go. So that's another great benefit of using this AquaTru reverse osmosis system, whether, again, use the Classic, the Connect, or the Carafe. So check it out. The sliding tray will make it so much easier for me. Now that I'm done, I could push this back here. I got all the space available, and I must have pressed this down. So now the water is filtering within the system, and this just makes it so much more effective when using the unit. So if you have any questions, let me know. Take a look at the link where at least it could save you $100 on one of the units. And also check out the one if you are interested for the one under the sink. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.